You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? So we are looking at how to pronounce this word, and yes, there are two different pronunciations. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing words that too many get confused by, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel, learn more, and so let's get to the point. Two different ways of pronouncing it. In British English, it's pronounced as pneumonia. Stress on that second mo syllable. In American English, however, it's said as pneumonia. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Make sure to stay tuned. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.